Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, this will actually be a clean with me video. This is actually my weekend cleaning routine because I didn't actually get to clean during the week. So this is what I will be doing today, and this video is in collaboration with my friend here on YouTube. Let me go ahead and have her introduce herself.
I'm Christine Pena and I am a mom of 3. I love sharing everything from cleaning to home decor to lifestyle tips in general. And if you love real life, that's exactly what you're going to find on my channel. I show you the nitty-gritty of it all and I do not hold back. So if you love these type of videos, I would absolutely love it if you joined our little YouTube family and hit that subscribe button.
So what I like to start by doing is just picking up all of my baby's toys because they're usually just scattered all over the living room and all over the house, and I'm gonna also just be putting away anything that needs to get put away. And as you can see, my buffet is full of fingerprints. That definitely needs a good cleaning. And I'm just gonna also pick up my pillows since he does like to play with them and just throw them on the floor and everywhere. So I'm also just fixing my throw and just all of the pillows that I have. So one thing that I'm actually going to be cleaning today is my fridge and my freezer area. I have a mess in here, as you can see, but I am going to actually be going grocery shopping today, so I do want to have it nice and clean. And especially these freezer drawers, they are a mess, so I definitely need to get those cleaned. So I'm just going to start by cleaning the freezer area here, and I also already threw anything that I didn't need away. So when I took everything out and I started cleaning this drawer here, I noticed that there was like ice stuck on the bottom and it was just pretty nasty, so I did need to have it go down and just have the ice melt. So I did go ahead and just leave it on my sink area. That way I gave it some time to melt and everything. And I'm just starting to take out everything from here to clean this next freezer. So as I mentioned, guys, I am going to be going grocery shopping, so I just wanted to have like these drawers cleaned and also the drawers where I have the vegetables cleaned because those actually haven't gotten cleaned in a little while. So I just wanted to get everything nice and clean, and I'm just not going to be focusing on the inside of the fridge, like where I have, you know, all the juice and milk and all of that, because I'm gonna be cleaning out once I come back from the store. And as you can see here, I started cleaning this bottom drawer. This was actually the one that had like the most stuff stuck in there and stuff, but the ice did finally melt and I just put everything back together that needed to go back in the freezer. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning these 2 drawers, which I have all my vegetables in and everything. I'm also gonna be taking anything out that is bad and just throw it away and clean the bottom part here underneath these 2 drawers. So there were actually no dishes to wash. My mom actually had washed them earlier today. So what I'm just doing is cleaning my sink area and just making sure it's nice and clean. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just start cleaning here my kitchen area and just put things away that need to get put away, and also start by cleaning all of my countertop areas and my kitchen island, and also all of the appliances that I do have here in my kitchen because they do get very dusty and greasy because obviously we cook here in the kitchen. So I definitely like to wipe everything down with the multi-surface cleaner from Mrs. Meyers. Now that I finished cleaning my kitchen island and countertop areas and all of my appliances, I am cleaning all of my stainless steel appliances here in my kitchen with the Weiman spray. So now it's time to go ahead and start cleaning all of my mirrors and mirrored furniture and stuff. So I do like to start with this tray here that I have on my kitchen island. So guys, I finally added my drapes here in my dining area. Let me know what you guys think and how you like them. I honestly really think that they look so good here in my dining area, and I am just so happy that my dining area is finally coming together. So now I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning all of my mirrored furniture and everything that I have on top of my tables. And I'm going to go ahead and also clean my coffee table and buffet because they definitely need to get cleaned. They have fingerprints all over them, so it's definitely time for me to clean these. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy these next few clips. So now it's time to start sweeping all of my downstairs here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and mop. Let me know what your guys' least favorite thing to do when cleaning is. I honestly don't mind sweeping, but I just hate mopping. So if you guys are new here to my channel, you guys will see that I do like to mop with just a regular old mop, and I just use Fabuloso to go ahead and mop. I definitely need to step my game up though, because there's just so many things out there now to make your life so much easier, and I definitely need to get something to help me just do this a little faster, because using a regular old mop, it just definitely takes a lot of time. So I am definitely going to be looking out for something to buy. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys have any like recommendations of what I should get, since I'm going to be looking for something to just, you know, make my life a little easier. So now that I finished cleaning all of my downstairs, I'm gonna go ahead and just turn on my candle here that I have on my kitchen island. This is from Bath and Body Works, and this is the Rose Water and Ivy candle. Let me know if you guys have actually smelled this candle. It is one of my favorites. It smells so good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just relax for a bit here in my living room. I'm gonna go ahead and take advantage since my husband and baby are sleeping upstairs. I'm just gonna go ahead and watch some TV. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's clean with me video. I hope you all did find this video motivating, and definitely go check out my friend's Christine video once you are done watching mine. You will fall in love with her house. I honestly really love her house. It's so beautiful. And yeah, I'm just giving you a little tour of how my house looks. And here you can actually get a better look of my drapes that I added here in my dining area. I honestly really am so happy with how they look, and I'm so happy that everything is just finally coming together. And here is a view of my kitchen now, and nothing is better than having a clean house, especially a clean kitchen, because that could definitely get messy sometimes. And also my living room area. There is no pillows on the ground or toys all over the place, but that won't last for long, because once my son wakes up, he's gonna definitely put them all on the ground again. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today's Clean With Me video. I hope you guys did enjoy this video and found it motivating. And if you guys are interested in checking out Christine's video, I will have her link to her video in the description box below. So make sure you guys go and show her some love. And if you guys are new here, please don't forget to click that subscribe button, and let me know you guys are new here to my channel and like this video.